when calculating the average DLI you need for your particular greenhouse and your particular crops, number one, you need to know how much light actually comes through your greenhouse. This can vary a lot depending on the material of the greenhouse, because you obviously will get less light in the greenhouse than you will outside. So you need to make a calculation of the light transmission of your particular greenhouse. Then you need to know what is the average light level for your particular crop, and that varies widely from very high light crops such as cannabis. Coming down after that, it's tomatoes and peppers and cucumbers. Then you have other crops kind of in the mid-level. Some flowers are quite high light. Then you get to leafy greens, lettuce, microgreens, which is a much lower. So in general, the high end cannabis is in the 1200, let's say 1000 to 1500 range. Tomatoes are more around that 500, 600 range. And then at the other extreme, lettuce or leafy greens might only be from the 50 to 250 range. So it's very important to know the light levels needed by your particular crop. And if you'll change crops during the year, you want to go to the highest light level crop. We can determine exactly what the ideal light level for almost any crop.